The topic of today's video is how to fix this. Google account is not yet associated with a device, and all we need to do is go onto our Android device and we're going to link our Google account to it. So the first thing that you want to do is swipe down on your screen and click on the settings cog. From here, we want to swipe all the way down till we see users and accounts. Click in that. And in here again, we want to make sure that automatically sync app data is on, and then scroll all the way down until you see add account. And then we're going to choose Google. And now it's going to check info. And then it should bring us to the sign in screen. Okay, so mine is already linked, but for you, it's going to be simple. What you're going to do is put in your email and hit next. And then you're going to put in your password, hit next again. And then the last prompt should be for you to agree to their privacy policy, and you'll accept and then hit next again. And once you've done that, your Google account will be linked to your Android device, and you can carry on downloading whatever game or app you were from your Chromebook or your laptop to your device. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.